Yo, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play Chapter 2 Season 2 with custom skins in 2026. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to join my Discord server and the link in my description. And before we start, thank you to Core for all the resources that he has in his server. I will also leave an invite link to his server so y'all can do other things too that I don't really have time to make. But yeah, let's get started with the video now. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Discord and you're going to go on my server. I'll have an extra channel here with all the things that you need. But let's just get started with our packs first. We're going to be using Stellar packs. If y'all don't know what Stellar is, it's a server that hosts Chapter 2 Season 2 with custom skins available. So that's why I said with custom skins. But yeah, anyway, let's get the Stellar packs. Alright, so now that you've done this Stellar packs, they should be in my server as well. So you guys can download them. But now we need to download the build. It'll also be in my Discord server, like the link for all the versions. You're just going to search up Llama Cordy GitHub if you don't feel like joining. And then you can just go to 12.41, which is Chapter 2 Season 2. This is the most supported one. All of these other ones aren't really supported. So make sure to download this one. Now that you've downloaded that, we need to put our packs into our packs folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Downloads. We're going to find our build. Also, make sure you extract it with WinRAR and just click extract to Fortnite release. But now that we've done that, click Fortnite release 12.41, click this, and then you'll see here. Go to Fortnite game, content, and packs. Now just paste your packs here and you should be good to go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get Node.js, which is a JavaScript software that you can use, but let's go back a little bit, and we need UUU injector. So I will also leave that in my server, but I'm just going to search up UUU client, which is right here. But now we also need a large patcher DLL, so let's get that. I will also leave this in my Discord server as well. But now let's leave this to the side. So now that you've done all of those steps, we need to do a few more steps to get your game running. So now what you need to do is you need to get Node.js, like I just said. It'll be in my server, but if you don't want to join, just click Node.js in your browser to search it up. It should be here. You're going to click here, click get Node.js, Windows installer, and then boom, you should be downloading it. So now that you've done that, you need to get login server v1. That allows us to have custom skins and make our host work. But if Node.js is in the way, it should say port 3551 is already in use. So what I want you to do is press Control-Shift-Escape, and then find a Node.js JavaScript runtime. I don't have it open right now, but just end that task just by right-clicking it, and it should say end task. But now you're going to click Install Packages on your login server v1, which will be in my Discord server. It's going to install your packages, and then just click Start. It should say this. Now you're going to minimize this, but now it's time for the reboot launcher. Click Reboot. If you don't have Reboot, I will also leave that in my server. But now you're just going to import your build by going here, typing in your version name, which is 12.41, clicking here, going to Downloads, and then finding your folder and just clicking Select Folder. So now that you've done that, we need to configure our backend. So we're going to click Backend. It says Type, click Local, and then the port is 3551. Now that you've done that, this is where the UUU client comes in hand right now. So right here, you're just going to click Start Server once you click Launch Fortnite. And then now this is where you need to be really quick with this. Once Fortnite launches, you need to be very quick about this. So as you can see, Fortnite is launching. As you can see, now you're going to click here, select the process, click Fortnite. As soon as this bar goes out and stops, then you need to click Inject DLL. Perfect. So now that you've done that, it should load up here. Just click play. And now you're just gonna load in, and you should have your skins on here. If your skins aren't showing, make sure to use login server. But there's one important thing that I will show you in a second. But make sure that this little menu is open right here. And if it isn't, make sure to start your game server before you start playing, so that way it works. But now that you have this, then you can turn on late game, which I recommend if you want to play against your friends. But if you want your skins to work, you need to turn off no MCP. So make sure you turn that off. Now that you've done that, you're gonna click late game if you want it. You don't have to. And you need infinite ammo, infinite materials, and private IPs or operator. So once you have all of those, we're gonna go down. We're gonna get out of there, and you can just pick any skin that you want. I'll just do Fashion Banshee. But now that you've done that, this is how you're gonna get into the game. And if before you guys start being like, I can't get into a game, well, you don't ready up. You have to do something different. So please, if you're running into that issue, do not DM me, because it's a waste of my time, and it's really simple. So just do F2 and F8, and then type in open 127.0.0.1. Enter. Make sure I was recording, guys. Okay, so now you should be in the game. As you can see, I am in. And make sure to also set your binds and everything so nothing gets messed up. But yeah, now you are in the game. So you can like free build rather. Free builds are kind of mid right now because I'm not really warmed up. I haven't been on normal 4 all day. I've been just playing Retrack and this and Chapter 2 Season 2 as well. Okay, but now if you want to just go straight into late game, this is how you're going to do it. Or into a normal game as well. You're going to go on your little host thing, and then now you're just going to click start bus. Now, I'm in late game, so that's why the bus is frozen, but just give it a second, and you should be able to hop out the bus. So now you can just find anywhere that you want to go. It will spawn in different locations, but for this time it's spawning near the Astroworld concert thingy right there. So I'm just gonna try and get down to low ground here. But then yeah, you have 500 mats on each build, but you do have infinite mats, so yeah. But now you can just free build. You also can go against your friends, and also the bus does not go away. So I don't think that should be a big issue you should run into, because it's not really gonna go away. It's just gonna sit there. But yeah, you can free build on here and like hit clips, and then also if you want to, you can go to my Discord server, find clips or Fortnite chat if you want, or media. But then you're just gonna go there, and then you can post your clips in there. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoy this. Thank you for watching my video all the way to the end. And if you watched all the way to the end, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It supports me a lot, and I would appreciate it if you did. And yeah, have a good night.